Now, this is one of the reasons why I'm going with Panniers at the moment, because I have a lot more stuff than I would normally bring. I've got the first aid kit, which I usually do bring. I've got a much larger tool set now that is specific to BMW and has a lot of special tools just in case something happens on the go. That's in there at the moment. I also have this here, which is basically a starter battery. We've had that on tour just with our guys, that sometimes the bikes wouldn't start. So just having that extra battery pack, being able to jump start it, that's something I didn't bring before and now bring now for all my tours. So the next thing I have here is a battery powered tire pump. Again, something I've used quite a bit. Actually, on my last trip, we had someone with a flat tire, or that we had to pump the tire up and fix the tire on the go. So it's good to have this pump rather than just having these sort of cartridges, which I also have, but this is better. So I have different sets of tire repair kits in here, and I've got my epoxy, which can be a lifesaver in the right conditions. And then I have some just tape and sort of vests that you need in some countries in Europe now. So there's just a little bit of tape, just a bunch of other tools and zip ties in here. But with all this stuff that I've had to bring up with soft luggage to my room because I couldn't leave it on the bike, this is now going to live in the side pannier, and I can just close it up and not have to worry about it. So you see in this one, I don't have the organizer in there because with all the stuff in the bottom, the main back is going to come up again.